Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Yeah, it's playing out as expected, and I am very, very pleased that throughout this move up, I remained on the bearish side, that I remained on the very skeptical side over the last few weeks here when Fantom moved up. I took profits along the way, did communicate that here in the videos and also on Discord, where channel members can see my buy and sell orders. The last sell order was triggered at 329. Absolutely fantastic. You rarely get a top like that normally when you sell. But yeah, perfectly timed here the high. There was another sell order set a little bit higher in case we had an overshooting wave B. Now that didn't happen, nothing to worry about. We'll just do that in the next wave up, or I do. And anybody who chooses to follow me there can do that obviously on Discord. But obviously this is not financial advice, it's only what I do. And of course you can choose to follow me if you want to. But yeah, that was perfect. I have now started to dollar cost average into Fantom again. I do think we're gonna see lower prices, but of course nothing in these markets is guaranteed. We are now getting oversold here on the shorter term, on the shorter time frames, especially the 4-hour chart. I would be surprised if we weren't. Oh yeah, there is still a little bit of scope here on the daily chart, but on the 4-hour we were oversold now. I did start to dollar cost average in here around the 50-day moving average. Because what I took as profits, I want to reinvest lower now. I think we could see lower prices for Fantom. We can see that today that most cryptos that did do really well in the last few weeks here are now really suffering greatly here. I mean, on CoinMarketCap, we can see that Fantom, what did it do? 20% in the last 24 hours. So yeah, I'm really glad that I remained here on the bearish side. I know a lot of other people were really, really bullish, talked about new all-time highs, but for me it looked just too much like an A, B, C correction, and so far it seems to be going that way. Of course, you know, the ABC could be finished, and what we're seeing here is just something like a wave one, but it's a weird one because what you see here is really, really very strong retracements. It doesn't really look good. You can also see, I mean, we broke here that, you can see that ascending channel. Oops. Can see that the ascending channel that we have here on the chart, it obviously broke that uptrend. It broke that channel. I'm going to take it out. Basically, this is the target area that I did give you on this way up. I told you that this is the area where with the highest likelihood we would see a reversal. Now the reversal isn't confirmed yet. We haven't really seen a lower low here, yeah, compared to the previous ones. But you can see how the price is struggling to move higher. And we talked about that bearish divergence on the daily. And I think this is playing out. And the next move down for Bitcoin could really push Fantom down lower. Nothing is guaranteed. That's why I took profits up here and buy back here with a discount of around 35% lower. It's fantastic. And if you want to see my buy and sell orders, feel free to check out the channel membership. Really great community. Over 500 members now, and then you can get access to Discord and Telegram if you join as a silver member. A lot of additional content as well, and if you want to support the channel, of course, you know, it would help me out really a lot. But generally what I want to say here about this is, you could call this a yeah, ascending broadening wedge would be generally considered a bearish pattern. It's like an ascending wedge, you know, more often than not it would break to the downside, and we're very close to that. You could even argue it maybe has already broken, but possibly not, because it's just sitting above the 50-day moving average here at around 215, and bounced off that again a little bit. But yeah, you can see in that target area how much the price did really react to it. So a highly relevant target area, and the price couldn't push higher than the all-time high. In my view, that really makes it's a high likelihood that this was a wave B, and that we're now gonna go here into this wave C, and that could really push us, if this is playing out, that could push us below $1.12. Yeah, I'm just saying, it seems crazy now, but also a price of $2.15 seemed probably crazy when we were at around 350, didn't it? So we need to be aware of that. And to be fair, price of $1.12 was only there on the 4th of December. So not at all unrealistic. And I think it's going to go that way. Here on the daily, we are here in the bearish range. There is still scope on the daily to move down lower. More relevant is the weekly chart, and on the weekly we can currently see how well, first of all, there is still a lot of scope to fall further, and we are very close to a bearish crossover here. So we had a bit of a fake out to the upside here. I think very close to a bearish crossover on the MACD, on the weekly, on the 4-day chart. I think, yeah, also this is going to play out probably if the bulls can't push further through here, but that correction was huge. So yeah, I mean, on all time frames we see basically here that we are very close to a bearish cross on the MACD, and if that's playing out, I think we're gonna see lower prices even further, together with further dropping Bitcoin prices. Yeah, but anyway, I started to dollar cost average in. That's the message, because I find Fantom in the long run very, very attractive, and took profits up there, buying back cheaper. Of course, only starting to dollar cost average in again. I do expect actually lower prices, but in the world of crypto, you never know. You never really know, and we dropped quite a lot here in one day. Therefore, I started to dollar cost average in, and yeah, overall, we're still far away from the 200-day moving average, which is sitting here at 155. So there is much more. If we lose the 50-day moving average here at 215, which I, to be fair, actually expect, we're gonna drop, I think, very fast here to 150. All right, that's my view on Fantom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really would like to join the channel membership, you can do that on my website. You can find a link in the description, and you can also do that here on YouTube. And then you can get the links to Discord, Telegram, and you can get a weekly live stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.